Oh, sorry, just finishing the morning grooming. Most dogs need a brush. This one, just a little weeding. If only your own lawn could be so easy to manage. Wait, it can be. Let me introduce to you the Pro Trade Pet Turf. This turf has a permeable backing, allowing rain, rinsing, or dog debris to just filter right through and not hang around. It's easy to maintain, easy to clean, and even easier to install. It's manufactured so that the color looks as good on day one as it does on day 1000. To order your Pro Trade Pet Turf today, come into your local SiteOne store or check out SiteOne.com.